Hi, this is Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to go over the Sprinter 319 MKS Limited model. So a couple changes this year to Sprinter in addition to some of the great features that they already had last year. For example, you're going to see right off the bat power awning with the LED light strip, and that's got the speakers built right into the awning. So when that awning comes out, it'll project the sound down onto your campsite rather than shoot it over to the next site over. So up front, I'll show you something really cool. This guy has automatic leveling, just like a big fifth wheel would have. So true automatic leveling in a sense that you unhitch from your truck, you hit auto level on the module or the touchscreen remote inside, which I'll show you later, and this unit will level itself. It takes about a minute or two, and it'll basically set itself up. Now another really cool feature with that is it is integrated with the power tongue jack up at the front. So when you're done camping and you're ready to pack up to head home, you just hit retract and the power tongue jack will return to where your hitch was. So you don't have to worry about trying to manually level, where your truck, the height of your hitch basically. So yeah, pretty cool features. All the Sprinters are of course still 100-inch wide body. With that wide body, you have the nice wide frame that can support the big tanks underneath. So you have a nice big 81-gallon freshwater tank on this trailer. But yeah, that's about it for the outside. Let's head on in. You'll see aluminum steps as we walk in. Wide 30-inch entrance door. It's a really nice rear living type concept. Okay, opposing slides. You'll see freestanding table and chairs. Theater seating right across from your TV. TV and Bluetooth soundbar are both standard. Trifold sleeper sofa. Nice big rear window off the back. If you got a great view of the lake or the mountains, whatever the case is, or even just the bush, have a little bit of privacy, but still a nice view. 7 cubic foot fridge, so upgraded fridge. Corian countertops. Give you the cutting board style sink cover. Industrial faucet. Nice big stainless steel sink underneath. Lots of storage cabinets up above, underneath. A couple drawers. 22-inch oven, so you can actually fit a pot in there if you wanted to do some cooking. Air conditioning, of course, is standard, ducted throughout the whole trailer. Skylight, one of my favorite features. Okay, you can cover that if you have somebody sleeping back here. Before we head into the washroom, touchscreen remote. So this guy here, it'll control your slide outs, your power awning, your outside lights, and your automatic leveling. So if you're setting the trailer up by yourself, you get to the campsite first, there's nobody to watch your clearance when you're putting your slides out. You can use this and stand right outside the trailer, put your slides out, stand back, let the trailer level itself, that kind of stuff. So a nice little feature to have. Okay, washroom. Radius glass shower. Okay, tons of space, full vanity. Beautiful master bedroom. You got the king size bed, that's new this year, up from the queen size bed. Second air conditioner, okay? So if you're parking this thing, or you're taking it down south, it's nice to have that extra efficiency. And of course the big front window, new to Sprinters this year as well. Tinted glass, there is of course a cover for it. Roller shade, nice bench seating. Dresser up at the front, storage underneath the bed. Everything you need. And then exit out into the main hall. And you're back. And that's everything for the Sprinter 319 MKS. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. I'll catch you next time.